Hey party hosts, looking to impress your guests with the ultimate appetizer? Today I'm showing you how to make Crab Rangoon, a true crowd pleaser. With its golden, crispy exterior and creamy, dreamy filling, it's guaranteed to win everyone over. And guess what? You can make these bad boys right at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need one 8-ounce package of cream cheese at room temperature, 4 ounces of finely shredded imitation crab meat, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 3 thinly sliced green onions, 2 grated garlic cloves, and 1 finely chopped seeded jalapeno if you like a bit of heat. Of course, don't forget the 12-ounce package of square wonton wrappers, a lightly beaten egg, and vegetable oil for frying. Oh, and sweet chili sauce for serving. Start by mixing the cream cheese, imitation crab, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, black pepper, green onions, garlic, and jalapeno in a large bowl. Mix it until everything is well combined. Next, grab a wonton wrapper and place about 2 teaspoons of filling right in the center. Flatten it into a little mound. Brush the edges of the wrapper with the beaten egg. Now bring 2 opposite corners of the wrapper to meet and overlap slightly over the filling. Press to seal the corners, leaving the remaining 2 corners open. Repeat with the other corners and pinch to seal the edges, squeezing out all the air. They should look like cute little 4-pointed stars. For pan frying, preheat your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large Dutch oven, heat 1.5 inches of vegetable oil over medium heat until it hits 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Working in batches, fry the rangoons, turning occasionally until golden brown on all sides, about 1 to 2 minutes. Transfer to a wire rack set in a baking sheet and keep warm in the oven. Continue until all your rangoons are cooked. If you're air frying, preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit if needed. Spray the basket with cooking spray, brush the rangoons with vegetable oil, and place them in the basket in a single layer. Cook for about 5 minutes. If they look dry, brush them with more oil. Cook until deeply golden and crispy, about 3 more minutes. Serve your crispy crab rangoons with sweet chili sauce and voila! You've got the ultimate party appetizer. Love the recipe? Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Crab Rangoon filling is mostly cream cheese paired with imitation crab meat for a milder, sweeter flavor. Seasoned with green onion, jalapeno, garlic, soy sauce, and Worcestershire sauce, it's the perfect blend of salty and savory. Happy cooking, everyone! Enjoy your party!